Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, we're going to see how to update drivers on Windows 11. So there are two methods you can use to update your drivers. So let's start with our first method. Right-click on Windows icon, then click on this option, Device Manager. So this will show you all the drivers you have in your system. So to update any driver, just click on it and then right-click on the driver you want to update. Then click on Update Driver. Click on Search Automatically. So this will automatically update your driver. So this is the first method you can use to update your driver manually. Okay, the second method you can use is update your operating system. So go to this Windows icon, click on it. Then click on this option Settings. Now on the left side, click on this option Windows Update. And here you will get this option Windows Update. So just click on this option, check for updates, and this will update all the drivers in your operating system. One more thing you can do is go to this option, Advanced Option, then go to this option, Optional Updates, click on it. Then click on this option, Driver Updates, and this will show you all the available drivers you have for your system. I will click on it and then click on Download and Install. So this will help you to update your driver as well. So these are the two methods you can apply to update drivers on Windows 11. This is all for the video. Thank you.